Hi there, welcome and thanks for checking out this video. Today, I'm going to be doing a quick review of a plant-based food that I recently tried for the first time. Morningstar Farms Vegetizers Pepperoni Pizza Bites. So if you're trying to decide whether or not to purchase this product, then this video is exactly what you were looking for. Now I'm pretty sure that these weren't always vegan. I reported in a previous review video that Morningstar Farms was in the process of making all of their products vegan, and I noticed recently that this package said vegan, so I just had to try them out. I got these at my Walmart neighborhood market for only $4.18 for a 9.5 ounce bag, which contains around 18 pizza bites. So I decided to cook the entire bag in my air fryer, 15 minutes at 325. I checked the temperature every few minutes. They were well over 165 by the time I hit 15 minutes, but I wanted them to be nice and golden brown. So here are close-ups of the before and after pictures. A serving size is 6 bites at 180 calories. I compared the nutrition of these vegetizers to traditional pizza rolls, and they're actually pretty close, the big difference being that these vegetizers have no cholesterol. Here's what they look like when they're cooked. They have a nice golden brown exterior, and they're piping hot inside. You can see just how crunchy the outside is. It pretty much shatters when I go to cut it open. Inside is that familiar smell of pepperoni and red bell peppers. It looks like there's a little bit of cheese filling inside. But to me, mostly I only tasted the red pepper with the texture of minced pepperoni and the nice crunchy seasoned breading. 2 smiles for taste. They emerged from my air fryer with a nice super crunchy outside and they smelled really good. They have a nice baked exterior, unlike the deep fried and greasy exterior of traditional pizza rolls. I thought they tasted great, although like I said before, the red pepper is kind of overpowering, so if your palate is sensitive to red peppers, then this may not be for you. For value, 2 smiles. These are comparable to other plant-based products, but they're at least twice as expensive as traditional pizza rolls, although they do have more protein per serving and the benefit of no cholesterol. Morningstar Farms Vegetizer Pepperoni Pizza Bites score a solid 9 out of 15 in the nutrition categories. Like I mentioned before, they are very comparable in nutrition to traditional pizza rolls, but do have the benefit of more protein and no cholesterol. 3 smiles are awarded in both of these categories. Since my last Morningstar Farms video review, I've noticed that more, or maybe even all, of their products are now vegan, and that is really great to see. So are the Morningstar Farms Vegetizer Pepperoni Pizza Bites worth it? Absolutely. They are a really great alternative from traditional greasy pizza rolls. They score a very respectable 19 out of 27 and I definitely recommend them. They have a nice golden brown crunchy exterior and a nice soft and tender pepperoni filling. I hope that I provided enough information here so that you can decide if this is something that you want to purchase. Thanks again for checking out this video. I hope that you stick around and check out the rest of my videos. If you found this video helpful, then please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell too so that you are notified when the next review is posted. You can also follow @CharlieVegan on Twitter for the latest updates. Thanks again for watching.